Very good morning to one and all. Myself Aniruddha Satish Deshpande, research student from Department of Botany, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities Amravati, and I am here to present the topic comparative study on dyeing of cotton and silk by using natural dyes obtained from the flowers of Pyrostegia venusta. The dyes which can be obtained from natural sources, that is plants, minerals or animal sources, are known as natural dyes. The natural dyes provides many advantages over the synthetic dyes, like they are biodegradable, non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, non-allergic, easily available, renewable resources, as well as they are environment friendly, antiseptic and mostly possesses the cooling properties. In present study, the efficiency of dye extracted from the flowers of Pyrostegia venusta was evaluated for development of variety of color shades. Pyrostegia venusta, also called as flame vine or orange trumpet vine, belongs to the family Bignoniaceae, is a scandent shrub with angled stem and opposite leaves. Flowers were collected from the campus of Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities Amravati. The fresh flower petals were washed thoroughly with distilled water and then crushed in 3 different solvents like water, absolute alcohol and ethanol, and then filtered through muslin cloth to obtain dye solution. 2 different methodologies were adopted for dyeing purpose. In first methodology, that is dyeing without mordant, the cotton and silk fabrics were directly immersed into dye bath and then dried at room temperature. In dyeing with mordant procedure, fabrics were first immersed in 2 different mordant solutions, that is 2% ferrous ammonium sulfate and 5% copper sulfate, and then they are treated with dye solution. After dyeing, the fabrics were dried at room temperature. Dyed fabrics were washed and again dried at room temperature. The color shades obtained were identified by using Pantone color shade system. The results and discussions. The alcoholic extract shows no development of any color in any of the procedures. Table 1 shows the effect of aqueous and ethanolic extract of Pyrostegia venusta on cotton and silk without any mordant. About 4 different shades obtained are parchment, ivory, colonial sage and topaz bulge, which with their subsequent Pantone paint shade number were given on the screen. Table number 2 shows effect of aqueous ethanolic extracts of Pyrostegia venusta on cotton and silk with ferrous ammonium sulfate and copper sulfate as the chemical mordants. About 8 different shades obtained like tan, linen, bone, coconut, dark husk gold, bean sprout, light husk gold and light sand were given on the screen along with their Pantone paint shade numbers. Many workers earlier carry out successful dyeing practices by evaluating dye yielding potential of different plants. Summary and conclusions. In present study, the aqueous, ethanolic and alcoholic extracts of flowers of Pyrostegia venusta were used for dyeing of cotton and silk in 2 different ways, without mordanting and with 2 different chemical mordants, ferrous ammonium sulfate and copper sulfate. As compared to aqueous extract, ethanolic extract exhibit darker color shade. Alcoholic extract fails to generate any color shade in both dyeing procedures. In dyeing without mordant procedure, darkest and lightest colored obtained were colonial sage and ivory respectively. It was found that ferrous ammonium sulfate exhibit darker coloration on cotton than the copper sulfate. Dark husk gold was the darkest shade obtained by dyeing with mordant ferrous ammonium sulfate, while silk exhibit 2 most lighter coloration, that is light sand and coconut, by dyeing with mordant copper sulfate. These are my references. Thank you.